I'm headed to the Theater District in Chicago's Loop to tour one of Sweet Home Chicago's short-term furnished apartments at the full amenity Randolph Tower. I'm in the foyer of a one-bedroom, a few steps from the elevator bank. It's a wall of closets as you enter, and of course, the equipment you need to take care of your home here or for your cleaning person to do so, and to care for your clothes. Second part of the closet has shelving. Kitchen and bath are off to your left as you enter. Very attractive kitchen with espresso stained cabinetry, granite countertops, black appliances, and of course all the countertop appliances and glassware and cookware that you need to instantly be right at home and start cooking if you're so inclined. But there are a ton of restaurants in the area. There's a wine rack above the refrigerator, ice maker in the refrigerator, full-size stackable washer dryer in the kitchen area, and then there's a movable island with a pass-through into the living area. Let's head that way. There's a pantry closet, plenty of shelving, cookware. Living area has two large windows, flat screen TV, comfortable seating, and sliding translucent door that opens to the bedroom. Bedroom has another flat panel TV, chest of drawers for storage, a nightstand with storage, and then there's a walk-through closet with a tandem entry into the bath from the master bedroom. Lots of extra bedding supplied, towels, everything to keep you comfortable, including a starter kit of toiletries and soap in the bathroom. There's a bank of drawers in the vanity and a wall-mounted medicine cabinet and a rain head shower. Heading back through the kitchen now. We made a circle. It's a very livable unit to stay a while. Right in the absolute heart of the Theater District in Chicago, steps from the Riverwalk. Great location and a building with a stunning array of amenities. Sweet Home Chicago apartments are set up with everything you need to feel at home and hotel-like services to ensure your comfort. It's a sweet deal.